Hi everyone, it's Gail. It was so great to meet with you today in our seminar Zoom. Thank you so much for showing up and for participating in the way that you did. During our Zoom session, I had promised to let you know how you can add a profile picture in Zoom so that if you have your video off, at least you have a photo there for other people to feel a sense of connection with you. And remember that you can use anything you want for your photo that helps say something about you. So it might be an actual photo of you, maybe a photo of a pet that you care about, maybe a photo of a place you love to go to, or a piece of artwork that you love, or maybe an album cover that you love. So it's up to you what your photograph is. I found out that, of course, it's not as straightforward as I thought or hoped to upload your profile picture. The first step is having a Zoom account. I don't think you can add a profile picture unless you have an account. But the good news is it's super easy to set up an account, and it's free. You don't have to enter a credit card. You don't have to give them any information it's very straightforward. So I'm going to quickly show you what to do. First, you're going to go to zoom.us. This is their homepage. And you want to go to Plans and Pricing. And then you'll see the option to choose a plan. And just go down to the free option and click Sign Up. It's free. It's going to ask you for your email address. It says your work email address. You could give your Clark student email address or your personal email address. I don't think it really matters. Enter the little code here that they show to show you're not a robot, and then just sign up, and then you'll have an account. So once you're signed up, I'm going to go ahead and get signed in. See if I can figure out this CAPTCHA code. What you want to do, if you don't see this page right away that is your account page, then you would just go over here. You'll see your something that will indicate that it's you, and you're going to click on your name to be able to get into your meeting area. And then you'll just click Profile from this menu at the left of the page. Click Profile. And here you'll see a spot for a profile photo, and you can click Change in order to upload a photo of yourself, or whatever you choose to upload as a photo. You can also use this Edit button to edit the name that appears on the screen. Maybe you want to include a preferred name. I included my preferred pronouns. Maybe you want just your initials. You get to decide. One thing I do want you to do for our class, if you don't mind, is make sure your name, whatever name you have for Zoom, helps us identify you, so I know who everyone is in class when I'm looking at the screen. And so other people also know who is talking or who else is in the room with them. So make sure your name is something that clearly identifies you specifically and uniquely. So that's it. Then you just click Save Changes down here. And hopefully, if it works right, next time you log into Zoom and you have your video off, your picture should show up. I know some people have had trouble with their picture showing up in every meeting, so I don't think it works perfectly, but give it a try if you want, and maybe we'll see some of you with photos for your profile when we meet on Thursday. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you soon.